Hey, what's up guys, this is Bidi from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. So today's video is about Snapchat new update. Snapchat came in 2011 and it's been over a decade, but it used to lack a very crucial feature, that is edit username. It's available on every social media apps like Instagram, Twitter, etc. But yesterday, Snapchat also added the feature of edit username. So now you can finally change your Snapchat username. Because like me, there are many of you guys who has been bored of their username, or now you might not like that name. So before we go further, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Snapchat has released this feature yesterday, that is on February 23rd, and it will roll out at a global level for both iOS and Android users. Because of this feature, now many users won't need to delete their Snapchat accounts to create a new one. So first, check the Snapchat app and update it. If it doesn't show in update section, then search Snapchat on the App Store or for Android on the Play Store, and then you will find update option over here. Just update the app and you will have the new feature. So let's open the Snapchat and go to your profile over here. Then tap on settings icon over here and you will find the option of username, and in front it will be written new if you open for the first time. Before you change your name, there are few things that you should know. Snapchat allows you to change your username only once a year, and you won't be able to use a name that you have used in the past, and also once the username changes, the old one will be gone forever. So these are the three things you should keep in mind before you change or update your username in Snapchat. Now tap on change username, you will get this pop-up of username can be changed once a year. Then tap on continue, then enter the username you want, and boom, you are done. Also keep in mind this feature might not be available for everyone, so just wait for few days as it's still going globally. So that's all for the video. Let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.